Hello everyone, and this is another Kinemaster video editing that I want to share again to all of you guys. And for this video, I'm going to create and share a cool motion trails effect in Kinemaster. So let's get started. And first step, we're going to open the Kinemaster app and select this plus sign. And for the aspect ratio of the project, just select 16:9. And then import any clip that has motion. So we're going to select now our example video clip. Okay, so this is the one. And for another step, guys, just click this one and then just go at left side and click this three dot and then select duplicate as layer. Okay, and then make it full. And for the right side, just select the alpha opacity and reduce it to 50%. Select in this one, so we're going to reduce around 50%. Okay, and then adjust this one, the layer. And for the second step, again, just click this duplicate layer and go in this three dot and duplicate. So make it around 4 times. So 1, so adjust again here. Then again, go on 3 dot, duplicate, and adjust. Okay, so one more. Again, go on 3 dot and duplicate. And then adjust here. And okay. Okay, if necessary, guys, you can adjust this layer, so just little bit adjustment. Okay, okay guys, as easy like that. And we're going now to preview. Okay guys, this is what we call the cool motion trails effect in Kinemaster. This is the easy way and very simple tricks in Kinemasters. Okay guys, so thank you for supporting my channels. If you are new in my channels, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the bell notifications to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next vlogs.